So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the row and column height on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, add a table to your presentation. I will select, how about this magenta one right here for demonstration. So by default, the grid lines sort of make the boxes the size that they are. But if you want to change that, adjust the row and column size, simply just press on the table right here, go to this right hand side of your screen, scroll down to the bottom to where it says row and column size. Now by default, you can either go ahead and press on fit if you want for both, but you can also just make it larger or smaller. So if you want to make it larger this way and maybe shorter this way, you can go ahead and do that, whatever the case may be. If you want to, let's just type in 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. You can go ahead and press on fit for both. It'll make sure that the numbers are the perfect size for your table. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit the row and column height on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.